The boys of summer are back where they belong. We've had a couple of warm days, but your friend and mine, Mr. Charlie Coaster, told me it's not really spring until the bums are back on the street. Yeah, Freddie, we saw you out there at Clark and Addison. You see him on the sidewalk, sleeping in the alley, living on cheap wine, dying in slow time. He knows the children do not lie, and all the angels cannot fly. He used to be a big man, now he's a small man, picking up tin cans, sell them to the junk man. He knows the children do not lie, and all the angels cannot fly. Now something happened somehow, somewhere along the way. He turned this man's head around and left him here to stay. What does he do? Well, does he have loved ones? Where is he going? Where does he come from? Where the children do not lie, and all the angels cannot fly. See him on the sidewalk, sleeping in the alley, picking up tin cans, sell them to the junk man. What does he do? Well, does he have loved ones? Living on cheap wine, dying in slow time. He used to be a big man, now he's a small man. Where is he going? Where does he come from? Thank you.